Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make a cute and easy sock bunny, perfect for Easter. For the materials, you'll need a crew cut sock, rice, a tall glass, scissors, twine, ribbon, and a permanent marker. First, slip the sock over the tall glass. Then pour the rice into the sock. Remove the sock from the glass and cut some twine. Tie off the top of the sock with the twine, then find a place in the middle to tie and make the head and the body. Cut off the ends. Then cut off part of the ankle of the sock. Cut up the middle to create the ears. You may want to round out the ears a little bit to make them look a little better. After that, take some of the ribbon and tie it in a bow around the middle. Then draw a face on the head. And that's it! This is such a fun and festive DIY and a great one to do with kids. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please make sure to like, comment, or subscribe below. Thanks for watching. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.